Okay. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Muzahidar. Call me Muaz. And today I want to interview or do the final project at Aiden Boarding School. That is interview. Let's start.
Okay, Muaz. Now I want to interview you and have some question. The first question is, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, about myself. My full name is Ahmad Muzahidar, and I born in Bekasi, 18 November in 2009. Okay. I have elementary school at Bekasi too. That is Usman bin Affan. From there, I get Tafis. That is Trijus hafalan. And then now at IDN Junior High School, I've learned about Scratch, Buildbox, Figma, and then IoT, that is MacPod, and then now I've learned is Android Studio, so 5 lessons. Yes, that's all.
Okay, so you said last time now you have school in IDN, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now I want to ask you about what you learned in IDN, and then okay, what kind of web have you created in IDN?
Website.
Yes.
So in 7th grade, I already create 2 website. That is my personal website. You can check. That is Muadz haidar.my.id. Yes, muadzhaidar.my.id. And then the second, I've created school website. Yes, I make for my elementary school. And then the last is mosque website. For mosque website, I already give to my mosque. Yes, around my home. So I make this mosaic, and then I give it to the mosque. And then for our personal website, it's still active, and I will update my project there.
Okay, so you have you said that you make the mosque website.
Yes.
Is that you make for mosque near your house or where?
Yes, for my near house.
Um,
And after I do it, I teaching him about how to edit this and that, like for Amal. There is the update from day, and then for Jum'ah prayer, like Khatib, who Muazzin, and Imam. It will update from him, from there.
okay. So you make it free for them or they pay for you?
Oh, for that is I give to him at 7th grade. I give him for free because because my dad say, Brother Muaz, you don't want to give your side to Mos, and then I think maybe I'll give it because I don't use it too. And,
Yes. Okay. Okay. So the next one. Anyway, how many website the total have you created?
for the total, I already school and mosque. Three
Oh,
websites.
the school for here or for near your house also.
Just for me, just for me. I just created for my skill, for training my skill.
Okay. Okay, so the next one is talking about app. What kind of app have you created?
Applications.
Uh-huh.
For my application, I already create a calculator. Yes, calculator in Modular. I've created a calculator and then find my edge and so many else for calculator. That is like a rectangle too. You can count the shape and then there is rectangle, triangle, and then parallelogram, and so many. There is 8, and then calculator for count, for plus, minus, and other. And then for find my age, you just input your birthday years, and then the application will count you are is teenager, adult, or still baby. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the next one is about IoT project. Have you created what?
For IoT project, I make it at the 8th grade. I make a disaster alarm. There is I use MQ 350, and then I using water level sensor, and then what sensor for flute, yes, for flute. And then I already teach it to school. I teach it with my friends. The material is disaster alarm. So for MQ, you can enter it or count it using alcohol, and there is a microbit will count it how many alcohol in the dance bottle. And then for water level, you just put in the water, and then the microbit, if you press B button, the microbit will count it.
Okay. Done? Okay, so now the last one, the question, do you have any words for IDN? Because your school in IDN, maybe you have something to say for them.
IDN Good School give me so many experience. I will graduate maybe in next year. Yes. For IDN is good school or my best school maybe. So because I have many experience like teaching other school, and then I can sell Mission Impossible, like you sell item with the with the high price, and then so many and then this week I want to go to Pajasuhan for sharing experience from him and from me.
Okay. So you happy or not in IDN? I mean, you already got so many lessons, and then what do you want to say to IDN?
I want to say thank you for your experience give to me. That is that.
Okay. Okay, I think that's all. Muaz, maybe you can continue the next presentation. You can go ahead, please, the presentation.
Okay. good. So this is my presentation. Country is about Egypt. Introducing Egypt. There is so many building, best building, good building there. And Egypt is officially known as the Arab official now. The Republic of Egypt is a transcontinental country spanning in the northeast corner of Africa and southwest corner of Asia. Egypt is famous is an ancient civilization and some of the world's most iconic landmarks, including the pyramids of Giza and then the Sphinx. And then Egypt is he have religion majority is Islam. And then Egypt has a best player in Africa. There is Mohamed Salah. He is playing for Liverpool now. And then this is historical landmarks. This is Great Pyramid of Giza. This is Karnak Temple. This is Valley of the Kings. From the Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 world wonders of the ancient world, built over 4,500 years ago as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu is people there. And then the large of 3 pyramids in Egypt. For height is 140 meters tall. And then there is the temple of Karnak. This may be good for tourism. Religious building ever constructed. Built over period 2,000 years by many different pharaohs. Features the Great Hypostyle hall with 134 massive columns. And the last is Valley of the Kings. We can see it is so high, so big. A burial site of pharaoh and powerful nobles during the few kingdom period. Contains over 1660 tombs, including those of Tutankhamun and Ramses II. And then this is the natural wonders. There is a white sea, white desert, and then there is a Nile River. This is just like pyramid, but there is a river around it. And then this is the white desert. Okay. The longest river in the world, stretching over 4,000 miles, crosses along the Nile over stunning views of ancient temples and tombs. Opportunity for fishing, swimming, and water sports. And white desert is, we can see it is so long for here to there. A unique landscape of chalk rock formations and wet sand dunes, popular for camping and stargazing under the Great Desert, home to several hot springs and natural pools. And then this is food from Egypt or Egyptian cuisines. There is Sinai Peninsula, Red Sea coast, and Nile Delta. Kosher, a popular street food made with rice, lentils, chickpeas, and tomato sauce, topped with fried onions and crispy bread. That is Nile Delta. And then for the Red Sea coast, the traditional breakfast in Egypt, made with fava beans, garlic, and lemon juice. often served with pita bread and vegetables. And then the last is Sinai Peninsula. Mash. Stuffed grapes leaves filled with rice, herby, and sauce and spice. Often served with yogurt or tangy sauce. And then this is the clothing of Egypt, kaftan, topi, and galabi. For kaftan, long, close-fitting garment worn by both men and women, often made of cotton or silk. Tobe, a long flowing robe worn by men, often made of cotton or linen. And then the last is galabia, a long, close-fitting garment worn by women, often made of cotton or silk. And then this is the currency of Egypt or Egypt pounds, major four currencies. This is US dollar, this is euro, and this is Egypt or EG. This is Egypt pounds or officially from Egypt. Usually, always used in Egypt. And then this is US dollar, the most widely used currency in the world. And then this is euro, the official currency in the European Union. And then the last closing remarks, Egypt. Thank you for joining my editor through Egypt history, swimming in the natural world, and then delicious cuisine. From the majestic pyramids of Giza to the Serena River, Egypt offers a wealth of experience that's sure to leave a lasting impression. And let's not forget about the Egyptian Union. And then maybe that's from my journey in Egypt. I think this is enough. Sorry if I have.
Continue directly.
Huh?
Continue directly. The presentation project.
Okay, that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Project.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and this is my portfolio. I will explain about my project and about me. So my full name is Ahmad Haidar. I born in Bekasi in November 18, 2009. I'm from Bekasi, and then this is my motivation. I always remember: enjoy the world without destroying your religion and the afterlife. And then improve yourself. Then people will forgive you themselves. Okay, we'll next to the next page. This is about me. This is my logo. I make it with myself. I'm a consider. I'm a graphic designer and students at IDM boarding school. My project is already 20 plus from 7th grade till now. And then I already teach 6 times. The first in Bekasi in the mosque. I'll teach about website. And then the last is yesterday. I go to in Bekasi again and teaching about disaster alarm. And then I'm teaching in Kebumen too. Kebumen, yes, that is my best teaching time. I go with my friends after Asar in Friday. And then after Asar, I go with my friends go to Kebumen, from Jombor to Kebumen, and I arrive in 1 o'clock night, morning. And then happy clients. The really is maybe the people I teach that is 80 plus, and then my follower in Instagram is 80 plus. I'm still in junior high school, and right now, then I can make illustration and I can design a poster, making some game application, game using Scratch and Lootbox, and then application I make it with Codular and Android Studio. For design, I can make it with Figma or Canva and other. And I'm Hafiz too. I have 5 Jews right now. 2 mungkin and 3 else still not. Okay, next about my project. This is my project in Dinia lessons. One month. This is poster about network. This is an example of one of my project in Dinia lessons, which has the theme of hadith about network. Dinia poster project with the theme of network hadith. So from this poster you can now you must be kind to your network. Why? Because if you die, yes, the first people that meet you is your neighbor, not your family. Maybe your family is far from you and will not to first see you die. So the first is neighbor, and then this can be our ibadah, and we can get reward. And then next, this is my project from IT. One project. I make a flyer for calculator app. This is the screen of calculator with there is a building space calculator. This is a barcode. You can scan it. That is in my website, personal website, multidocument.id. You can check now. This flyer for the space building calculator application, and there is also a barcode for downloading the space building calculator application. This is the project is IT flyer. For this app, I make it with Codular. And this flyer I make it in Canva. The barcode one, this one is I just using a QR generator. You can search maybe in the Google or Chrome. Next. Now, this is my personal website. This is which you can visit directly, and the domain name is muhammad.my.id. You can see this is my picture. Always using this picture because this is maybe my best picture. And then I'm a designer, design poster, infographics, illustration, and many else. I'm using it with Canva, Figma, and Photoshop. Still learning. In Photoshop, I'm still learning because there is so. Oh. And then this is not full, yes, because yes, there is okay. Oh, this is my skill, and then this is my project. There is toolbar, home, about me, project, gallery, achievement, and my experience. And this is you can see my design and then my YouTube channel. Next. Okay, is the last time I teach, and this is my IoT project. Okay, I'm teaching in Bekasi, teaching at a school in Bekasi, teaching IoT disaster alert. So I'll be a teacher with my friends, but with a squad. So Holil has friends in his school, and then communicate with him, and then we we say we want to teach at your school, and then this is yesterday. This is good experience too for me and maybe for my friends, for him too. And the school is so kind to us. Yeah, we got a gift that's o'clock, and then there is many students that successful to make this disaster alarm. And then this is I learned at 14 October 2023. This is new, and then this is me, Tungku, paling like nama. We learn people always because we are close friends, and then jelas. Maybe this is last slide. Can say before that, if you have questions for me, you can contact me at Gmail muazhaidar 08@gmail.com, and then I want to say thank you for listening my video, and maybe I'll sorry if I have some mistake. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.